Do you receive unlimited spammy comments on your blog or the website? If you're facing similar kind of issue, today I'm going to share you how to fix this issue and how you can get rid of all these spammy messages completely. Let's get started. Welcome to my channel, Sabah here. Let's see how we can fix all the comments, and before proceeding with it, let's see why it is important to remove all these spam comments from the website. There are few advantages related with that. One is like it is going to take up the space or storage in your website, which is going to slow down your website in the long run. Second thing is it is going to impact your website SEO, and there are so many like disadvantages also, like if you keep if there are spammy comments, that it might affect the reputation of the website also. And along with this, what you can do is you can manually keep the approval process. That way, if you receive any comment, you can identify whether it is a spam or it is a normal genuine comment and segregate it. However, this is a long taking process. Even though if you enable manual approval process, it might be hectic for you to proceed with this thing, doing everything manually. That's why we are going to come up with we are going to use the plugin which will help us get rid of all this spammy comment once for all. Let's see how we can tackle this issue. First thing, get into your dashboard, WooCommerce dashboard. Once you get into the dashboard, on the left hand side, you'll find plugins option. Click on plugins. Once you click on plugin, click on add new plugin. Now search for Akismet spam Akismet anti-spam spam protection. This is the plugin that we are looking for. This is going to help us automate the process of removing all the spammy comments from our website. So, as my client said, Sabah, we don't need all those spammy comments on our website. Please help us fix this. We are going to add this new plugin into their website. So, click on install now. Once it is installed, click on activate. See, once we click on activate, you can see eliminate spam from your website. Set up a Akismet account to enable spam filtering on this website. So it is clearly saying that you can eliminate complete spam from your website. So we'll choose the plan first. Click on choose the plan. Once it is done, we want to go complete free with the free package. So we'll get into the personal account. Before proceeding, what you have to do is, we don't want to get charged for this account. So what we'll do is we'll get it down to 0 per year. Then we need to check the boxes. If we have ads, I don't normally I don't have ads on my site. I do sell products on my site, but I don't promote it. So, based on your business and services, you can choose these options and then click with personal subscription. You must verify and confirm all the conditions for non commercial use. Okay, as we are going with the personal account, we need to check all the all the boxes it seems. Then we'll click on continue. Here you can enter the email id, enter your email id, then select the country that you stay in, choose the postal code, then continue to the payment. If it is an existing account, we can directly log in. As it says there is an existing account, we can directly log into the account. I'll click on continue with Google. If you don't have, then you have to create and then continue. As we already have the account on Akismet, what we are going to do is we are just continuing with the same account. All right. Here will choose the details, postal code and the state. Then it is a free purchase, so I'll check out. So here it is. I got my API key. Now what you have to do is just copy this API key, then get back to the dashboard, WooCommerce dashboard. Manually enter the API key. Click on manually enter your API key, then paste your API key here. Once you paste the API key, you can click on connect with API key. For each account, you will have separate API keys. So this is how you can connect your Akismet account and eliminate the comment spam from your website. Now let's see how it works. So now it's connected. All right. Sure. Now you have to check in the settings like what kind of spam we want to remove and how is it going to work out. We'll see. Now see the first thing is comment. Show the number of approved comments beside each comment author. No, I don't want it. That's why I'm not enabling it. Spam filtering, what kind of filter do you want? Do you want the worst comments to be automatically removed from the website, or do you want that to be put into to the spam folder for review and after 15 days it gets deleted? Do you want to go with this option? Most of the time I get with this because I might receive the genuine comments and spam comments are segregated though, but I can have one check before it is deleted completely. That's why I go ahead with this option. If you want to directly, if you don't want to see the spammy comment at all, you can go with silently discard the worst and most possessive spam, so I never see it. You can choose this option. Most of the time I prefer this. It is up to you, whichever you feel like is better, you can proceed with it. And display privacy notice under your comment form. Under your comment form, if you want to show okay the spam protection is done by Akismet, then you can choose display. If you don't want that such kind of notice under the comment form, then you can choose do not display privacy notice option. Once this is done, you can clear. If you make any changes, if you made any changes, you can click on save change. Now let's get back to the comment section. There are few genuine comments which you might not be able to get rid of and don't want to, because the engagement is also plays an important role in marketing. That's why we chose Akismet to find out the spammy folder spams and automatically get rid of all the spammy comments without your any manual interaction. Hope you find this video useful and use Akismet for getting rid of all the comments from your website and speed up your website for good. Hope you find this video helpful, and I keep coming up with few more knowledgeable videos on my channel. So keep subscribing, keep supporting. Have a good day. Thank you.